Hi, this is Dr. Hemendra Kumar Tiwari, PhD Postdoctoral Fellow. This is my first video. The purpose of creating this video is to make you expert in chemistry. I am sure that after watching this video, you will observe yourself as expert of chemistry. So please subscribe my channel and like this video. I also request you please share this video to those who want to gain knowledge but lack of money comes in front of them. So I am going to start how to solve the reaction mechanism of any organic reaction. So before solving the reaction mechanism of any organic synthesis, you should follow these six important steps. The first step is label electrophilic, nucleophilic, and acidic basic sites of all reactants and number the identical atoms in substrate and product. The second step is identify most reactive sites if more than one. Step third, recall the characteristics reactions of the most reactive functional group. Step fourth, work through the mechanism leading to intermediate product. Repeat above four steps. Step fifth, recognize that closely related product. Step six, write down the structure of final product. So I am going to apply these six steps in Inolite chemistry. You know Inolite chemistry, I am sure. After following these six steps, you can solve any mechanism of organic reaction. Inolite chemistry. You know this is carbonyl compound. This is alpha sites of this molecule, and you know this hydrogen atom is acidic in nature due to inductive withdrawal of carbonyl group in the presence of base. This hydrogen atom abstracts and this carbanion is stabilized by resonance. Enolate ion. I apply all these six steps in Inolate chemistry. So you know one thing that many organic reactions involve Inolate ion. So most popular reaction is aldol condensation. Second one, Claisen condensation. Third, Reformateschi. Fourth is Novinger reaction. Fifth, Perkin reaction. All these reactions involve enolate ion, and I will discuss here only aldol condensation. With the help of aldol condensation, I am trying to learn you how to solve the reaction mechanism. So the first example of aldol condensation. This is an aldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4 butanol. And reaction condition is KOH H2O. Second one HCl H2O and heat. The product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the product. With the help of this aldol condensation, I will explain all aforesaid 6 steps. What first step is step first. What step first tells? Label the electrophilic, nucleophilic, acidic, basic sites in substrate or the number of identical atoms in substrate or product. One, two, three, 4. This is the main substrate, butanol 1. This is, you know that oxygen is negatively charged, delta negative, and this is electrophilic carbon, delta positive, and substrate and product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The numbering of product is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And KOH strong base. Step first tells us about these entities. Step 2. What step 2 tells? Step 2 tells identify the most reactive functional group in the reactant. You know that only one functional group is present in this molecule, which is aldehyde. This aldehyde group participates in making of enolate ion under basic condition. This is alpha hydrogen, and in the presence of strong base, this hydrogen atom abstract and this ion will be stabilized by resonance. These are enolate ions. Now we will discuss step third. What step third tells? Step third, recall the characteristics, reactions of functional group, main functional group. You know the reaction intermediate in aldol condensation is enolate ion, and you know that enolate ion shows nucleophilic addition reactions. Step third, enolate ion shows nucleophilic addition reaction. This enolate ion attacks on another molecule of aldehyde. This is aldehyde, and this is enolate. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. This is enolate. The electrophilic site of this molecule is this carbon. So this is a nucleophilic addition reaction. O negative, one, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Now we will discuss about step fourth. What step fourth tells? Find the intermediate product. What will be intermediate product? You know that HCl is acidic medium in this reaction in second step. So this oxygen atom will be protonated. Will be protonated. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. The oxygen atom of this hydroxyl group contains one lone pair and further protonated. And you can see this OH2 group is good leaving group. So this is the last sixth step. What sixth step tells? Final product. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. This is the final product. So with the help of these six steps, you can solve the mechanism of other reactions like Nobel reaction, Perkin reactions, collision condensation. I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much.